Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. So, we have a winter weather advisory, so I was outside just prepping my sidewalks and stuff like that. Right now it's just raining. It's like a mix of sleet and that. And look what came. So I removed the label, and I cut it. That's all I've done. So, oh, I didn't cut it all the way. Hold on. Let me bring it down a little bit. Excuse the way I look. It's outside, it's cold. Okay, so. First thing on the top is. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that wig. My son's a Scorpion. He was born on November 12th, so him and Jeffree are 3 days apart. And my son just got his wife's a Libra, so he has a scorpion tattoo with the tail is holding scales to represent Libra, and he just got it colored in for his birthday. Beautiful color. Oh, let me get the, I don't want to papers. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the small stuff first, which is down in here. This looks like the palette. And we got the mirror. We're going to start with these because I got the birthday bundle, which was okay. I'm trying to get them all. Alright, so I think these are lippies. I can't remember what it said it was. Let me put my glasses on. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. It's freezing out, by the way. Alright, this is called Deep Sting. And it's a rich, high shine lipstick, so it's different than the Velvet Trap. So let's see if I can get it open without tearing the box. Packaging is pretty. It has the little scorpion on it. And the window where you can see through. I might be able to get it open. Oh, okay. Oh, look, it's a bullet. It's like the Velvet Trap. Shiny trap. And look at the little scorpion on it. Alright, so this one's called Deep Sting. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look. There's scorpions on it. How pretty. That's a pretty color. So Deep Sting. I'm just going to lay it back in the box. And the next color is not on here. Pomeranian Kiss. Jeffree's dogs are so cute, aren't they? So there's that one. And, oh, a nice neutral color. Very pretty. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like something. Maybe vanilla. And then the last one is Scorpio. So let's see what Jeffree's take on Scorpio is. Oh, it's like a plum gray. That's pretty. Okay, so there's those. Put that back in there. Alright, so the next thing in the box, I'm not going to pull the whole box up, is the palette. But we're going to save that for last. And it came... Look at them. Diva Star, in memory of Diva Star, 4/11/09 to 5/26/23. He was my best friend and my dog soulmate. I'll never forget the first time I saw him. I was on a tour bus traveling during my music career days, and we stopped in Indianapolis. My heart was ready for an animal, and Diva was my first dog. Over the years, he's gotten to travel to over 40 states, been to a few countries, rode on private jets, trains, and yachts, ate the best food, and was my companion through everything. When I lived in my apartment and had a few dollars left to my name, I always made sure he ate before me. Diva was there during my darkest moments and some of my greatest moments of my life. A constant source of love and light. He will be in my always, always, and there will never be another dog like him. I love you, Big Diva Lynn, man, always and forever. Oh, that's beautiful. Brought tears in my eyes. I don't know if I'm going to take that out of there. I'm going to leave that in there, guys. I might hang that up or display that just like that. What a beautiful memorial to him. All right, here's the palette. It's bubble wrapped. Oh, oh my. This has some weight to it. So here's the outer carton. There's like a little window where you can see Jeffree. All the ingredients and stuff on the back. It's a nice, these are raised. And it feels like, I don't know, like some kind of texture on it. Okay. Ooh. Damn, Jeffree, okay. There's Jeffree on the front. It's very pretty. And it's like raised, and the word Scorpio is raised, and the scorpions are raised. It's an artistry palette. Okay, and it has the little clasp like the pricked palette did. That's one of my favorites. Oh my god. Are you kidding? Wow. The video that he put out doesn't do it justice. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. And then he has the one for Diva Lynn. Ooh. Oh, that ain't coming off. Wow. Loyalty's really pretty. Look at all these purples. Very pretty. You could do so many looks with this. You could do a blue look, green and rust, purple look. You could do any kind of look. You could do an everyday look, a glam look. Some of these shimmers, like Spirit Realm. Look at that. That's that purple. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to take the... I'm not going to remove the mirror thing yet. And it does have the plastic sheeting. Wow, this is so pretty. I'm really happy I got this. I was debating on it. This is a beautiful palette. Happy birthday, Jeffree. So there it is. Here's my unboxing, and I got the birthday bundle is the one I got. So it came with the palette and the 3 shiny traps in Deep Sting, Pomeranian Kiss, and Scorpio. So those are the 3, and the Diva Memorial mirror. Well, not memorial, but recognition. I don't know. Memorial. A tribute mirror, which I think is amazing. I can remember on MySpace when he did that vegetable dye on Diva, and he was pink. It was so cute. What a beautiful, this is a beautiful postcard. Yep, beautiful picture of Jeffree. All right, well, that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.